We are at McDonald's. I don't know if y'all can see, I'm just testing out the angles, but we're gonna go pay for our meal. Let's go on that side, dungy. Jeez, drivers. Anywho, how y'all been? Once I pack up, I'm going to sanitize my hands because of the coronavirus. And welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing an amateur car mukbang because this is amateur. Look at where we are, guys. This is our location for our mukbang. Let me set y'all up and I can show you guys what we got to eat. Now we need to first sanitize, especially with this virus going around. Okay, so we got, this was meant to be iced tea no ice, but they always mistaken my drink for coconut ice, so, but it's okay. And here we got apple pie because I have not had one in a long time. We got double quarter pounder with added bacon, and then we got a large triple cheeseburger combo. And that's our pie for today. And some fries, which they didn't fill up because they're stingy. Anyways, we shall get started. So, I want to speak about something that's kind of been bothering me, not bothering me, I guess. I should say playing on my mind, but it has but hasn't. Does that even make sense? So, yum. And this is about my house journey. Honestly, look at that. Mmm. Oh, that's fizzy. That's why I can't have fizzy drinks. Oh my god. Do y'all see my eyes? Honestly, right. Sorry, it's just so good. Mate, it's extra good when you're hungry too. Yeah, so I kind of wanted to update everyone, which everyone's probably keeping up to date. And honestly, most of you probably don't even want to hear this talk, but in my opinion, I think it's really good talking about the coronavirus, even though it makes you freak out, makes you get anxious, whatever. Yeah. I feel like it's really good talking about it, even though it can cause panic and anxiety and whatnot. I think once you're educated on it and you take every precaution possible, then you'll be fine. Honestly, I started freaking out last night though, not even gonna lie. My throat started like, not hurting, but feeling restricted. Like, you know when you sing too much? Or like when you're on concert for like a whole week and then it feels strained. That's what it felt like, and I was like, oh my god, is this my throat getting sore? And I was replaying my day over and over again thinking, no, because I had my hand sanitizer, I had my mask. I haven't been around anyone besides my family. And then I just took a deep breath. And I was just like, we got this, it's all good. And I was fine after that. Woke up this morning and I'm fine. Nothing wrong with me besides hungry, so here we are. Besides the virus, yeah, I'm really yucky at eating, guys, so probably the worst person to watch eat, but whatever. Jesus. Honestly, I wanted to also, besides that, let's change the topic, I guess. I wanted to talk about my health journey. A lot of you have been asking about that, and it's a bit, what's the word? I'm the type of person that, pardon me, if I have a cheat day, I'll have another cheat day. And then that day becomes 3 days, and then those 3 days become a week. And then the cycle just goes on. You get what I mean. I'm going to have my apple pie now. Sorry about that. My camera cut out. But, yeah. I really want to go back to being vegetarian. But, because I know what's ahead of me, it's kind of like, I know what I need to do now. It's just getting to do it that's the difficult part. If you want to be bougie vegan and bougie vegetarian, it's expensive, sis. I don't know how long it's been since I've had apple pie. It's been a minute. So yeah. I want to go back to being vegetarian. And also want to be zero waste in the near future. Because I want to start being more eco-friendly. But, you know, how ironic when I'm talking about plastic and eating, drinking out of plastic straws and whatnot, but, that's my ultimate goal in the future. This is the double quarter pounder. Steamed buns, no pickles, add bacon, please. And there's pickles. Oh well, but yeah. That is the double quarter pounder burger. Honestly, guys, I don't really have anything to talk about much anyway. I'm doing good. Studies have finally started up. Finally, and I'm dreading it because it's like, oh my god. What else? I might pull out of netball because of the virus. Yeah. And I need to clean my car. Okay, I'll try to stop doing that. Look how good it looks. Because yum. Well, that was a fail. This is gonna make me tired, I bet you. I'm gonna want to nap after this. Sorry I haven't got much to talk about, but maybe next time we will. Fun fact, I've got concert tonight too. So, Okay, well I had to change out the battery pack because the battery died. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe. Also, don't forget to push the bell icon so that you can be notified each time I upload. Thank you all so much. And again, if you guys want some more mukbangs, comment down below what types of mukbangs. I have filmed a few of these, but they failed. But from this one onwards, honestly, I don't even care if they fail or not. I'm just going to be posting them and stuff like that. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stay tuned for our future content that is about to come. I'm really excited because it's a variety. It is a vast range of content and also opportunities and projects that are coming up. So please, please stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much. And ka kite anō!